Once you have set up your hosting plan, you can then install your website software. This software is called a CMS, or a content management system. This offers you a structured framework for the website and a private administration area that allows you to control every aspect of your website in an efficient manner. You should avoid publishing individual web pages to the internet, because separate pages have to be edited individually. These will take a long time to manage and update. All of our hosting plans at carlhenryhosting.com allow you to install all of the latest and most popular content management systems totally free of charge, including Joomla, our preference, and WordPress blogs automatically. In your hosting control panel, you will see a link to Value Applications. You will see that there is also free forum and online shopping cart software available. You can read more details about each one of them and install them with a simple click. Joomla. You can install powerful website software directly from your hosting control panel. We recommend Joomla, which we have used to build over 5,000 websites. You can learn more at joomla.org. Joomla is suitable for all experience levels, including beginners, upgraders, and professionals. You will be able to add features called extensions and change the look or layout with page templates. Many are available free, or you can build your own. The main benefit of Joomla is the flexibility you have in the design and structure of commercial websites. It also has very accessible code and can support massive multilingual websites. WordPress. Some people prefer a CMS called WordPress. It is very popular because it suits less experienced people, but ease of use comes with numerous restrictions. It was originally designed for running blogs and article websites. Joomla offers the same features for blogs and article management. The main difference is how the administration area works. If you want to compare the two systems, you can learn more about WordPress at wordpress.org. You will control your hosting server using cPanel. Website installation. You can install a complete content management software, or CMS, with a few clicks and in 5 to 10 minutes. This website will be mobile ready, which means it will adjust its size for smartphones and tablets automatically. You will then manage every aspect of your website through the CMS Administration Center. Here are your recommended action steps. If you have not yet completed them, it is time to set up the website system. 1. Open a free domains and hosting account. 2. Search for potential domain names. 3. Buy your domain name and hosting package. 4. Open a Google Webmaster account. 5. Open a Bing Webmaster account. 6. Open a GetResponse account, free trial. 7. Install Joomla with Installatron. Here are instructions. Install web applications in your hosting account. When it's time to add web applications like Joomla or WordPress to your hosting, follow these steps to use Installatron. 1. Go to your Carl Henry Domains product page. 2. Under Web Hosting, next to your hosting account, click Manage. 3. In the account dashboard, under Applications, click Installatron. 4. Click the application you want to install. 5. Click Plus to install the application. 6. Choose the domain name you want to use, complete the fields and selections, and then click Plus to install. 7. Wait for the system to install the software. You will receive an email when it is completed, and you will see the links to the website and administration center in the finished screen. Visit these useful links to learn more. carlhenrydomains.com, carlhenryhosting.com.